Good morning, Dev. Dev is the laundry owner of 24/7 Laundromat. Dev, how you found the LG machines for you working?
Oh, pretty good. We get a really good response from customers as well. They say these are the best machinery they have ever seen.
And your Electrolux dryers, how your customers have found them?
Pretty good. They're faster than others. Takes like, you can say 25% less time in drying than others.
So you find your customers are happy with doing your average clothing through to blankets, doonas, things
Oh
like
yeah,
that?
definitely. They're really happy. Even the machinery, they said they've never seen this sort of machine before.
Fantastic. And how did you find the Richard J service with from your first introduction to Richard J to your installation to knowledge of the equipment and everything?
Oh, definitely. 100% satisfactory. I mean, Alex is awesome. You just get his service whenever you want it.
Fan-
Go above and beyond to help you out.
Fantastic to hear. Would you recommend Richard J for any upcoming projects or any referrals to people you know?
Anytime to everyone. If you need it in written, I can give that in written too.
No, thank you very much for your time, Dev, and
Thank
we
you, Alex.
wish you all the best in your future endeavors. Thank you.
Thanks.